Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change oil 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Start by prepping your workspace, collecting tools, and confirming the right oil grade and filter. Lift the vehicle safely and place the drain pan under the oil pan bung. Remove the drain plug carefully and let oil fully drain while you inspect the drain bolt and washer. Replace the oil filter, reinstall the drain plug, add new oil, and check the level. Begin by loosening the drain plug and letting the used oil fully drain into a catch pan to avoid spills. While the oil drains, remove the old filter and check the filter housing for debris or metal flakes. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil, hand tighten the new filter, and replace the drain plug with a new washer if needed. Clean the area and prepare to refill with fresh oil. After installing the new filter and securing the drain plug, slowly add the correct oil capacity using a funnel to prevent mess. Start the engine for a minute to circulate the oil, then turn it off and wait a few minutes before checking the dipstick level. Top off if necessary, ensuring the level sits between the marks. Finally, wipe any spills, lower the vehicle, and confirm there are no leaks around the filter or drain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.